Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the Turtle module to draw a bar chart like the one on the right side here. So I import the modules and set the background and the color and the turtles. So the first thing I want is to have a list of data. So I create the first function here, and I use the Gauss method from the module random, and I loop it for n times, which means this function will return a list of n elements, and all of them are randomly made. So this variable here, mu, is the average of the elements in the list. The SIG here is the standard deviation of the data. And my second function is grade data. It takes the list from the first function and it returns a list of the number of the student who get a specific kind of grade, A, B, C, D, or F. So eventually this function returns a list that has five elements, and each element is a number. And my third function is max list. This function is basically the built-in function for Python, but I just want to try to write it. And my fourth function is scale list. So this function is for scaling the graph to an appropriate size. And my final function is draw, which I use the for loop statement to loop the code for an amount of length of the list, and this list is taken from the function grade data, which has 5 elements. So for each time, the function will draw a bar chart, and that on the top of each column, the turtle writes a sentence. This one and this one is the grade, and that is determined by these conditions, and the number of the students who have that specific grade. So I will close this one and rerun it again. I call the final function draw with the total velocity with the average of 80 and the deviation the standard deviation of 10 and 100 elements. Three A's, 32 B's, 31 C's, 25D to 9F. The scale is pretty correct. So I just try to run it again so that make sure it is different. Oh, the A is 0. 37 is the highest one. 31, 38, 13. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.